Rhea Chakrabarti was the one who introduced Sushant to Kwan, alleges an anonymous friend to Times Now. Rhea, whose bail plea is pending in the High Court, has alleged that Sushant suspected his sister's motives and felt they were only interested in his money. Rhea Chakrabarti, who has been in judicial custody since early September, has filed for bail twice before, but her pleas have been rejected. The actor has now filed a fresh bail plea in the Bombay High Court, but the hearing has been postponed due to heavy rains in Mumbai. The blame game in Sushant Singh Rajput's case continues as Sushant's family and friends continue to blame Rhea for multiple things, including abatement of suicide. Meanwhile, Rhea continues to cast suspicion on Sushant's sisters and his father, saying that they weren't available for his son when he needed them. Now, while Rhea's trying to get bail in the case, she has recently revealed again an alleged incident about when Sushant needed his family the most, they weren't available for him. Check out the story. Rhea ने बेल प्ली में अपने आप को डिफेंड करते हुए कई इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मेंशन किए हैं. According to Rhea, Sushant had often tried to contact his family to talk about his battle with depression and the difficulties he was facing with his mental health. But they did not take the late actor's concerns seriously. She has also added that even when the sisters wanted to take him to Chandigarh in November 2019, he didn't travel with them because he doubted their intentions. She has also denied calling back Sushant from Chandigarh in January this year, adding that the late actor took a call to return on his own. जहां एक तरफ रिया अपने आप को बेकसूर साबित करने की कोशिश में लगी हैं, वहीं एक anonymous source ने टाइम्स नाउ को बताया है कि it was Rhea who introduced Sushant to talent agency Kwan, which is under the NCB scanner. The anonymous source, who claims to be Sushant's friend, added that it was Rhea who facilitated the meeting between Sushant and the agency, while alleging that Sushant को talent manager hire करने में खास interest नहीं था. He claims that the late actor believed that he could sustain himself in the industry even without celebrity management services. The source has denied, though, that Jaya Saha and Rhea were friends, but allegedly claims that Jaya was close to Shruti Modi. There are so many murky details emerging in the case almost every day that what the truth is and whether we will ever really know what happened on that fateful day in June or the days leading up to Sushant's tragic demise remains uncertain.